Here I have Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to scroll down a bit, go to the additional settings, then go to the languages and input, languages, and here you can see the whole list of the available system languages. So let's pick, for example, Ukrainian, and then language changes automatically, just like this. So if you want to change it back to English, you go to the налаштування, then додаткові налаштування, мова та введення, мови, and pick English. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.